Got a bit of throttle therapy today on the 2020 Lowrider S. She's a beaut. Oh, it looks like there's a little bit of rain on my gas tank. Oh well, rain never killed anybody. Next up is probably going to be as always, no destination in mind. Just gonna ride somewhere, try to get lost, and see if I can get back home. Damn, lady! Holy shit!
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
You ain't gonna come up here? Sorry. It's okay. Well, that was a close encounter. A little old Mexican lady, so I didn't tell her off. Unfortunately, I have to go there. I don't think it's raining right now. I could probably just wipe this off. I don't have cruise control, so I gotta speed up like that. Okay, there we go. Yeah, the previous version of my bike had cruise control, and then for some reason Harley-Davidson took that away. Also, it's my day off. I'm probably just gonna head over to Harley. I want to sit on that, see if they got that Pan America. I want to sit on that thing. I'd like to get an adventure bike for camping. I can't decide between that, the KLR Kawasaki's a good one. I know the BMW GS is a really good one, but that's probably pricey. I know the Harley's pricey as well, but I don't know. I've had good luck with Harley. Everyone shits on their reliability, but I've had amazing luck with Harley. I think like anything, you just need to maintain the motor. As long as you take care of it, it'll last forever. That's a good length right there. I just need to put it at that. God, dude. Oh, the back wheel got a little squirrely on that. Oh, hell no, son. Oh, there's my first car. Toyota 22 RE. Fuel injection, baby. Fucking A, dude. I hate these messed up roads. Are you serious? What am I, in Iraq right now? Holy crap, dude. Well, thanks for watching this throttle therapy session. I'm gonna go ahead and cut right here. Like, comment, subscribe.